Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp could not start. Please restart your iPhone if the problem continues. Look, this is your problem. To solve this problem, just follow my all steps without skipping. First of all, go to your phone settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. WhatsApp. First stop. Storage, clear cache and clear data. Connections, move connection settings. Turn off VPN. Now turn on mobile data or Wi-Fi. Now restart your phone. After restarting, go to Play Store and update WhatsApp to the latest version. After updating, your problem will be solved. Viewers, if you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel.